Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna talk about why voice is not received by others. Well, it's because this microphone is not receiving the sound well. That's why they send it. They send the microphone. We're just gonna plug the microphone in, and then we're gonna take it from here to there and put it somewhere, and we're gonna receive the sound and we're gonna transmit the sound easily. Okay, let me get that. I'm just gonna plug this in over here. Okay, you can just hide the cable over there. You can put this somewhere where you're comfortable with, wherever you want to put. You can put it over here if you want. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.